What up, guys? We got ourselves a 2020 C8 Corvette in our hands right now. We're gonna be doing an awesome exhaust upgrade to this. Check out what it sounds like right now before the upgrade. And just wait.
So, hey, what's up, Oscar? So today in the bay we have this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. We're putting a 20% window tint on the driver and the passenger window today.
So we just finished up the exhaust on this 2021 Corvette C8. You guys ready to hear what this sounds like? Check this out. We have another C8 in the bay. This one's a little bit different. Everything's color matched on the body. So all the accents, everything is white, which is super cool. And then we did something a little different with the wheels. We went with the graphite wheels, 21-inch of course, instead of the normal gloss black. Also have an X7, but first, check out our new sign. What do you guys think of that? Huh? Pretty cool, pretty cool. This new BMW X7, we are actually doing with some smoke tail lights and some other black accents. Check this thing out, let us know what you think, and the interior on it is killer.
We are currently blacking out these reflectors in 3M 2080 gloss black. These reflectors aren't really used, they're more of a DOT regulation. So manufacturers just have to have them on just to pass regulations, but now that the car's sold, owner wants a cleaner look, so we're blacking them out, making them look way better.
Across the line, as Jeremy Clarkson would say, just as this Toyota RAV4 just gets finished up here at GP Customs. We put a bird's eye view camera system on it. There's front facing, side facing, and rear facing cameras, so you can have a full 360-degree view around the entire car. It's pretty cool, check it out.
Looks like factory. I mean, there's a bit of a distortion on the front camera, but the back one and the sides are perfect. It is impressive. don't know why you keep trying to film me while I'm talking, but it's pretty impressive. You got the back of camera feed while you're doing the bird's eye. It's good.
Huh?
He keeps trying to get video of me while I'm talking. I'm just talking about how great the product is. And he keeps trying to get video of me talking about how great the product is. All I'm trying to do is finish this vehicle, but Kalen wants me on camera so bad.
And it's working.
I know, it's working, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. But this is a great product.
Finished up with the 360 bird's eye view camera integration into this new Toyota RAV4. It works seamlessly. Once you hop in, I'll show you how it works. So when you kick the vehicle in reverse, it gives you the full bird's eye view, and it gives you your reverse camera. Like if we're gonna hit Cam over here, we just keep going backwards, we chase him around the parking lot. Then when you kick it in drive, it gives you 8 seconds of uninterrupted front camera so that you can know if you're gonna hit a curb or pull up too far at a stop sign.
All right, guys, that wraps up this week's video. If you enjoyed it, like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to be walking around in style like me, wearing these cool shirts and stuff, don't forget to check out our brand new merch shop that we're opening up. If you want to see some bloopers, check them out. Here they are.
Yeah. In day today, we have 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. We put 20% on driver and passenger window to protect from UV rays and give heat rejection, as well as match up with rear. Look very good, very clean.
All right, and rolling.
As you can see, we got a big game of chess going on out here in the parking lot. I'm gonna move my pawn to A4.